Greetings to all my first class students. Welcome back to our class. All open your textbooks, page number 94. It's 94, 94. NINETY 90. FOUR 4, 94. All open page number 94. Yes, today's topic is which animal is it? Okay, what is the lesson name? It's actually it is a question, right? Here we have a question mark. What it is? Which mark it is? Question mark. Which mark it is? Question mark. So which animal is it? So here we have pictures of animals, right? So which animal it is? We have to know about some different animals. So see here, before entering into today's topic, is in our last class, what have we finished? We have started unit 6 at the zoo, isn't it? Color the pictures. I told you to color the pictures. I hope you have done it. Then here in this, Amu's family is at the zoo, right? Yes. So here her father is collecting the tickets. Taking the tickets from the counter, isn't it? Yes. So here we can see different kinds of animals and also birds. What is zoo actually? Zoo in the sense a place where animals and birds, different kinds of animals and birds are kept. Yes? Yes. So here we can see so many kinds of animals and birds in the cages, isn't it? Yes. So in the next class, after that we have seen about what it is, which animal it is? It is giraffe. Which animal it is? Giraffe. Which animal it is? Open your mouths and tell. Which animal it is? It is, yes, giraffe. Yes, not giraffe. It's giraffe. What is the spelling of giraffe? GIRAFFE. Giraffe. What is the spelling of giraffe? GIRAFFE. Giraffe. What is giraffe? Yes, so here giraffe is an animal which has long neck. It is the tallest animal, isn't it? Yes, so it is the tallest animal and it has long neck. Here you can see a long neck. Yes. So who is telling about this giraffe? Yeah, here we can see Bittu, isn't it? Bittu is telling about the giraffe to whom? To Ammu, isn't it? Yes, so Ammu's father is showing all the animals to Ammu. Ammu is asking about this tall animal. So Bittu is telling about this tall animal as it has long neck. Podu meda. Okay? Yes, long neck and it is called as giraffe. Yes, it is the tallest animal. Got my point? Next here in this page, Bittu and Ammu with animals. Here we have seen about another animal. Which is that animal? It is zebra. Which is that animal? It is zebra. What is the spelling of zebra? ZEBRA. 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 See here, this is the animal. This is called zebra, which has lines on its body. Which has lines. Here you can see black and white lines on its body, right? On its body. Yeah. So here it is zebra, which we can see white black lines on it, and we can see also zebra crossing on the road. Yes, so here this animal name is zebra. It has lines on its body. Now who is telling about this zebra? Again Bittu is telling about this animal. To whom? To Ammu. Yes, so when Ammu asked Bittu that do you know about this animal? Then Bittu replied, yes, I know about this animal and it is zebra. What it is? It is zebra and you can see the lines on it. See here we have lines, isn't it? Yes. So now coming to today's topic. Which animal is it? Which animal is it? Here we have two animals, right? Yeah, one is what it is. Wait, once we'll read this. Ammu shows Bittu some animals and asks about them. Okay, so here Ammu and Bittu. We have Ammu and Bittu, right? So Ammu is showing Bittu some animals, and what she is doing? She is asking about them. What she is doing? She is asking about the animals. So Bittu and Ammu. Bittu, Ammu. They are Ammu is asking Bittu about some animals. See here. What it is? Wow, we all know what it is. It is elephant, isn't it? What it is? It is elephant. So here, it is big. It has a long trunk. What is it? See, it is big, right? It is heavy animal, isn't it? Its weight is too much. Yes, heaviest animal. It has too much weight. What it is? And it is big and it has long trunk. What is long trunk? ట్రంక్ అంటే టిఆర్యుఎన్కే ట్రంక్ అంటే తొండం ఏనుగుకి తొండం ఉంటుంది కదా ఆ తొండంని ఏమంటాం ట్రంక్ అంటాం టిఆర్యుఎన్కే ట్రంక్ ఓకే ద తొండంని ట్రంక్ అంటాం సో ఇట్ ఈస్ బిగ్ రైట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ యానిమల్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆల్ ద యానిమల్స్ ఇజంట్ ఇట్ yes so here it is big and it has long trunk here it has long trunk tondem untadi ante endadi it is elephant what it is elephant so we'll write the spelling here okay what is the spelling of elephant ELEPHANT what it is elephant what is the spelling of elephant 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 okay yes so elephant is big and it has long trunk okay it is big it has long trunk what it is elephant yes next one you see it is tall it has a long neck what is it tell me it is tall which is the tallest animal we already seen it yes giraffe isn't it what is it giraffe is the tallest animal and it has long neck see here you can see tallest animal and it has long neck పొడుగల యానిమల్ కదా పొడుగు జంతువు అండ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ లాంగ్ నెక్ అంటే పొడుగు మెడ yes so here it is very tall and it has a long neck what is it is giraffe what it is giraffe so you have to write the name here spelling you write spelling giraffe spelling GIRAFFE giraffe what's the spelling GIRAFFE it's giraffe yes giraffe it is giraffe yes finished so what it is elephant and it is giraffe elephant is the biggest animal and giraffe is the tallest animal yes so here you can see what is it is big it has a long trunk it is trunk ante tondam this part is called trunk okay tondam yes so it is big it has a long trunk what is it is elephant what is it is elephant then it is tall it has a long neck what is it see here this animal is tall and also it has long neck so what is it is giraffe isn't it yeah so we have finished about elephant and giraffe we'll read the spelling of it okay big what is the spelling of big 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 yes next trunk 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 long we all know the spelling of long 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 yes then elephant what it is called it is called elephant enugu ELEPHANT 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 next one yeah it is tall what is the spelling of tall 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 and long 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 neck spelling NECK neck it is a part of the body yes NECK neck it is giraffe spelling GIRAFFE 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 so here we have finished which animal is it is elephant and it is giraffe okay yes elephant is big and it has long trunk then giraffe is tall it has long neck Yes, coming to the next page, you see animals. Wow, page number 95. Read the spelling of that 95. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. F-I-V-E 5. 95. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. F-I-V-E 5. 95. 95. 95. Okay? Yes. Next. Animals. What are animals? Animals in the sense jantuvulu kada. Yes, jantuvulu which has four legs. Yes, which has four legs. Animals all have four legs, right? Yes, here elephant has four legs, giraffe has four legs, and here also we can see few animals, right? See, animals. Look at the pictures of animals and talk about them. So here we have some pictures of animals, right? Some pictures of animals here we have. So what you have to do, we have to look at the picture and we have to talk about them. Now tell me which animal it is. It is, yes, lion, right? L-I-O-N, lion. Write the name, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. What is lion? Yes, it is an animal which is the king of the forest, isn't it? Lion is the king of the forest, right? Yeah, from all animals it is the strongest animal. Balam full untadi kada సింహంకి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫారెస్ట్లో ఇదే పెద్ద యానిమల్ అనమాట. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద అడవిరాజు ఎవరు? కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫారెస్ట్. హూ ఇస్ ద కింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫారెస్ట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ లయన్, సింహం. ఓకే, ఇట్ హంట్స్ ది యానిమల్స్, ఇట్ ఈట్స్ ది అదర్ యానిమల్స్, రైట్? సింహం వేరే యానిమల్స్ని పట్టుకొని తినేస్తుంది కదా. వీ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ నేషనల్ జాగ్రఫిక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ హౌ లయన్స్ క్యాచ్ అదర్ యానిమల్స్ అండ్ దే ఈట్. ఎస్, ఇట్ క్యాచెస్ మోస్ట్లీ డియర్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? జింకలను పట్టుకొని తినేస్తాయి కదా. ఎస్, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ లయన్. Coming to the next one, what it is? It is familiar one. It is you. This is you, right? No. Yes, it is monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. It is monkey. We all know monkeys. We saw monkeys, right? We see monkeys in our daily life also. In our villages, we can see monkeys. What they do? They have a long tail. Yes. Monkey, what they do? They eat bananas mostly, right? Bananas, coconuts, isn't it? When we go to temples, there we can see these monkeys a lot, right? Where we give them bananas, fruits, and also that kobarchipalu tintayi kada kotulu ekwa. Yes, so this is monkey and they eat bananas. Yes, they won't harm people. It is harmful animal, lion, isn't it? It eats other people. Yes, it eats animals, human beings also. Yes, lion మనుషుల్ని కూడా తినేస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ హార్మ్ఫుల్ కదా, బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ నాట్ హార్మ్ఫుల్. monkey won't harm us. Yes. Next, what it is? It is deer. D-E-E-R, deer. What is deer? జింక పిల్ల తెలుసు కదా, జింక పిల్ల. Yes, it runs very fast. Yes or no? We can see this deer in forest areas kada. జింకలు కృష్ణ జింక అని అంటాం, జింక కదా. యా, వీ కెన్ సీ దెమ్ ఇన్ ద ఫారెస్ట్. అండ్ హియర్ ఈ జింకల్ని ఎవరు తింటారు? హూ ఈట్స్ దిస్ డియర్? లయన్ హంట్స్ ది డియర్ అండ్ లయన్ ఈట్స్ దిస్ డియర్, isn't it? Yes, but deer is a fastest running animal. It runs so fast. Okay. Yes. Next, coming to here, what it is? It is horse. What it is? H-O-R-S-E, horse. It is horse. గుర్రం. What it is? గుర్రం తెలుసు కదా మనందరికీ. గుర్రం టక్ 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 అని అంటుంది కదా. In that way it moves, right? So where we can see this horse? We can see this horse in horse racing కదా. గుర్రపు రేసెస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, గుర్రపు పోటీలు ఉంటాయి, వేర్ పీపుల్ రైడ్ హార్స్, isn't it? ఇట్లా కార్ రేసింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. కార్ రేసింగ్ ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే వీ హ్యావ్ హార్స్ రేసింగ్ ఆల్సో, పోటీలు పెడతారనమాట. గుర్రం ఏ గుర్రం ఎక్కువ ఫస్ట్ రన్ అయితే అది ఫస్ట్ ప్రైజ్ దే విల్ గెట్. పీపుల్ సిట్ ఆన్ ఇట్ అండ్ దే రైడ్ హార్స్. Yes, we know about this horse, right? Next animal we have. What it is? It is camel. What is the spelling of camel? Camel. So it is camel. What it is? It is camel. What it is? Camel. Where we can see camel in this one, onte. We know onte, right? Yes, onte. We can see onte. Where we can see onte? Where we can see a camel? We can see camel in desert areas. Where? Desert areas. Desert అంటే ఎడారీలు ఉంటాయి కదా, ఎడారిలో మొత్తం ఇసుక ఉంటుంది. ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ఎడారి తెలుసా మీకు? మొత్తం ఇసుక ఉంటుంది చూడు, ప్లేస్ మొత్తం ఇసుక ఉంటుంది. రాజస్థాన్లో ఎడారిలు ఉంటాయి. సో వీ కెన్ సీ camels మోస్ట్లీ ఇన్ డెజర్ట్ ఏరియాస్ కదా. ఇసుకలో camels మీదనే ఎక్కి వెళ్తారు అనమాట. సమ్టైమ్స్ camels కమ్స్ టు అవర్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆల్సో. ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ సమ్ మనీ they'll give a ride for 10 minutes or 5 minutes like that. ఒంటె పైన ఎక్కి ఇట్లా ఒక రౌండ్ వేసేసి రావచ్చు మనం. ఎస్, బట్ మోస్ట్లీ camels ఆర్ సీన్ ఇన్ డెజర్ట్ ఏరియాస్, అంటే ఎడారిలోనే ఉంటాయి camels. ఓకే, ఎస్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ సీన్ అబౌట్ లయన్, మంకీ, డీర్, హార్స్ అండ్ camel. Yes. Yeah. So next one, animals we know. We will write it in the next class. Okay. You all go through these animals. See here we have elephant, giraffe, lion, monkey, deer, horse, camel. Okay. Go through this, and the next class we will talk about this animals we know. Okay. Yes. We'll meet in the next class.